Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. How to fix install any software without admin rights. Okay, step by step following the steps. For step 1, for any app or the any setups, for I am example only Pandicam setup, click to the desktop. Okay, you right click to new, click to the new folder. Okay, you select okay, you Pandicam setup, you right click to cut. You select the new folder, click to open. You right click to paste the Pandicam setup. Okay. Next you right click to new, you the text document, click to open. Okay. You double click for open. This is the text document. You click to the type of set space com combat slice layer is equal to run as inspector. Click to K. Okay. You next key scroll down for start space. You click to please wait for. You select the example for Pandicam setup. Okay. You select any setup. Okay. Name of the Pandicam. You see the Pandicam setup. Okay. Click to file. Click to the save as. You see the any folder. Okay. But you select the all files. Click to save. Click to the yes. Okay. Okay friends, problem solved. Thank you for watching.